In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your Base44 team. First, open your browser and head to the Base44 app. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the workspace where you want to add people. From here, look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile icon. Click that to open your personal menu. This is where you'll find the controls related to your account and workspace. From the menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to a centralized place for managing how your workspace is set up. On the left-hand side, there's a navigation panel. Find and click Members. This page shows everyone who currently has access to your workspace, along with their status and role. Now, look to the top right of the Members page and click Invite Members. This opens your invitation options. Base44 lets you invite people in a few ways. You can invite by email, bulk invite several people at once, or create an invite link. These options are helpful depending on how many people you're adding and how you prefer to share access. For this walkthrough, we'll use the most common route. Invite by email. Click Invite by email to open the email entry form. In the email field, type the address of the person you want to add. Double check for typos, and if your organization uses a specific domain, make sure it's the correct one. Accurate emails help ensure the invite reaches the right inbox without delays. Next, choose the role you want to assign. Use the drop-down to pick the appropriate level of access for this person. Think about what they need to do in the workspace. A more limited role is great for viewers or contributors, while broader roles are best for people who will manage settings or seats. If you're unsure, start with the minimum needed and adjust later. When everything looks good, click Invite. Base44 will send the invitation to the email you entered. The person you invited will be prompted to accept and join your workspace. Back on the members page, you'll see their status reflect that they've been invited until they accept. If you're onboarding a whole group, consider using the bulk invite option to save time, or an invite link when you need a quick, shareable way to grant access. Keep an eye on your available seats, and be thoughtful with roles to maintain security and clarity. That's it. You've successfully invited someone to your Base44 team. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.